Okay, so welcome back, guys. First week of January has already passed. So, exactly same thing happened what we discussed in the last video of my January first week of breakdown. So, let's just go through the week that happened, right? And let's see what we are looking for in the next week of January, which is second week of January, correct? So, this is my monthly time frame. Now, if I have to mark up this chart, this is monthly SR level, right? Now, one very important thing to remember is that whenever you are marking your chart, mark your charts from the higher time frame, because if I get this chart on the weekly time frame, you see that my monthly SR is exactly falling on the weekly SR, right? This is the important of marking your charts starting from the higher time frame so that your key level should fall almost close to those same level when you will mark your charts on the smaller time frame. This is one of the most important thing to remember, right? Now go to the monthly time frame. This is our monthly SR level, and weekly time frame, this is our weekly SR level. Okay, if you go on the daily time frame, see what happened exactly. We were at around this level on 29th of December, and price started trading from 2nd of January. What happened? Exactly the same thing that we discovered or we are planning. Price rejected from these level after doing the liquidity grab, see, and then moved back down. And over this last week, I only played out sells because I knew that price is going to go down. So I did not try to play it out any buy trade over this period of time. And exactly same thing happened. So let's mark this chart now. Monthly SR has been marked. This is an important level of support. Next support that we are looking for the price to come back and retest, right? And that's it. So daily has moved from this level to this level over here. Now if we look on the smaller time frame, and daily time frame is rejecting from now at this level of monthly SR, which is 2060. So what we are expecting next week to do, same thing. Weekly has closed bearish. Now, how does weekly candle move? Exactly like this. Weekly candle will go towards upside to grab more liquidity, reject from the monthly SR, or even reject from this level after doing one more liquidity grab, and then go to a downside to fill this wick and maybe to shoot a lower low right over here. Now, if you go on the daily time frame, price is rejecting from 2060 level, which is this right here, and you know we have this range to fill. So what we are looking for, if you go in the 4 hour time frame, you see this was the level of support that we had. Now the price is rejecting from this level, forming it as a level of resistance, because now we are shooting lower lows and lower high. If you see, this is how downtrend move: lower lows, lower highs, right? Accumulation, retracement, pullbacks, and after that we do lower low, lower high. So this is the same thing that we are looking for the price to go. If we take out this somewhere around here, you will see this is same. This is some form of basic ways how price go to a downside: lower low, lower highs, and lower low, lower highs. It is not the best that I have marked out, but this is how price move in an also uncertain way and having a clear direction, like it has to go down, right? Well, this is what you should be looking for in order to back up this whole scenario that is happening right now. If I'm telling you that okay, I will be looking for sales, now I have a reason to do that, because let me just show you my screen. This is the news that we had this week, which was NFP and unemployment rate, and both of them came very positive except PMI, right? This indicate that US dollar is strengthening, which has pushed gold to a downside, because we are trading gold against US dollar. So if US dollar will gain its strength, gold will go down fundamentally, and technical perspective also it is looking good to go to a downside. Daily I'm looking for the same, looking for a candle to grab liquidity somewhere around here and then move to a downside. If any daily candle closes somewhere around here, 2019 to 2020 level, somewhere around here, I'm looking forward for the price to clear out this whole range that we have on the left hand side. This is a very clean range to move to a downside. So same thing I will be looking at. If we look on the weekly, exactly same thing. Price should go up and fill this wick and then shoot new lows to move to a downside. And monthly looking exactly good. So far I will not change my bias to buy till the time we are not closing above all these level. If we close above 2080 and then start shooting these new highs, then I will be looking for price to retrace back and then take the bias to go towards upside. Until that time, remember, in a downtrend every good pullback towards upside is a good opportunity to sell, and in an uptrend every good pullback to a downside is a good opportunity to buy, right? So never fuck up with the trend and just follow what the trend is showing to you. I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you learn something from this, watch this video again and again. You might find something again which will be relevant to you. Any one of you interested in doing personal mentorship with me, taking personal mentorship with me, can contact me. That you have to find out, do some work, find out what is my Insta, Facebook, whatever, and you will get to me, and then we'll discuss about it. So far, it is looking good to go to downside. So let's make money out of it.